Before also we had made a sanitizer dispenser, but in that we had used Arduino and all. But this is without Arduino and can be made in a budget of 150 to 200 rupees. So in this the electronics I used are an IR proximity sensor, a BD140 transistor, a water pump which is inside, a DC socket, a battery, a 1K resistor, and I've used a potentiometer to control the speed of the motor. So let's understand how it works. Whenever the IR sensor detects our hand, it sends a signal to the transistor. Then transistor with the help of output pin alarms the motor and the motor starts rotating. So let's test it. For powering it up, I am using this 3.7 volt 3000 mAh lithium ion battery which is used in our laptops. So let me just connect it over here. And as soon as I put my hand near the sensor, it will start dispensing the sanitizer. So let me do it. So you can see it works nicely. Let me show you another time. So this was for today. I hope you liked the project. Please drop a like in the comment section below. Till then, goodbye, stay safe and stay at home.